Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight Review, the channel where I give you the truth about products, no fluff, no sugarcoating. Today's review is all about Dentitox Pro, a natural dental health supplement. Does it really work? Is it worth your money? Stick with me to the end and find out everything you need to know before buying. Dentitox Pro is a liquid supplement designed to support your teeth and gums using a blend of natural ingredients. The product promises to strengthen gums, eliminate bad breath, prevent tooth decay, support overall oral health. It's applied directly into the mouth, unlike typical pills, making it unique and fast-absorbing. What I liked about Dentitox Pro? The formula includes powerful natural ingredients like vitamins A, C, D3, K2, xylitol, elderberry, and peppermint oil, all known to support oral hygiene. It's easy to use, just a few drops a day directly into your mouth. I noticed fresher breath and less gum irritation after consistent use for a couple of weeks. It doesn't interfere with brushing or flossing. It actually complements your routine. No reported side effects in my case. But now, let's be honest, here's what I didn't like. It's not a miracle overnight solution. You need consistency, and results may take weeks. The price might be a bit high for some, especially if you want the full 3 or 6 month supply. It's only sold online, so be careful with fake versions. Make sure you buy from the official link. In my opinion, Dentitox Pro is worth it if you're looking for a natural, non-invasive way to improve your dental health, especially if you struggle with bleeding gums, bad breath, or sensitive teeth. But I wouldn't recommend it if you expect instant results or don't want to commit to regular use. Overall, I give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. If this review helped you, hit that like button, leave a comment with your experience or any questions, and subscribe so you don't miss any honest reviews. The official product link is in the description below. Don't fall for fake sites. Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Straight Review, the channel where I give you the truth about products, no fluff, no sugarcoating. Today's review is all about Dentitox Pro,